Let's talk about Heartbeat and Cron Jobs. This is where OpenClaw stops feeling like a chatbot and starts feeling more like a real assistant. Let's start with cron jobs. Cron jobs are scheduled tasks, things your bot does automatically at set times without you having to ask. For example, in Telegram, we can tell our bot, create a daily job. Every morning at 7 a.m., check the weather for Paris, check my Google Calendar for the day, scan my Gmail for anything urgent, and send me a summary on Telegram with my top priorities for the day. Generally, what happens next is the bot confirms the job. Then it'll ask if you want to run a test now so that you can see the output. Let's go ahead and say yes. Let's see what it'll look like. And there it is. Tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., that will show up on my phone automatically. I didn't ask for it, it just does it. That's the difference between an AI you visit and an AI that works for you 24/7. Now let's talk about the heartbeat. The heartbeat is similar but different. Instead of running at a specific time, it wakes up at shorter set intervals and checks on things. Now here's a mistake almost everyone makes, and I know because it's all over the forums. People put everything in the heartbeat file. Check my email, review my calendar, update my memory, research that thing I mentioned yesterday. That burns through tokens like crazy because the heartbeat runs every 30 minutes and every run loads the full context window. So here's a guide. If it runs at a specific time, make it a cron job. If it needs to watch for something continuously, use heartbeat. Daily briefings, weekly reviews, reminders, those should be cron jobs. Alert me if something urgent comes in, heartbeat. To enable your heartbeat, all you have to do is tell it, enable heartbeat.md. And here we go. The heartbeat is active. It's going to monitor for upcoming calendar events and new emails, and then ping me only if something needs our attention. Now, one thing to watch, if your heartbeat runs every 30 minutes on an expensive model, that adds up. Make sure routine check-in tasks use a cheaper model.